Let's solve another numerical problem in current electricity, right? So I'll read the problem. The resistance of nichrome wire at 0 degrees Celsius is 10 ohms. The temperature coefficient of resistance is 0.004, that is 0.004 per degree Celsius. So find its resistance at boiling point of water. And finally, we need to comment on the result. Okay, so based on the result, we need to comment what has happened inside the problem, what has happened in the process. Okay, that is what we need to put. So here, the resistance of the nichrome wire is given as 10 ohms. Now, what is the temperature coefficient of resistance? Temperature coefficient of resistance is taken as alpha, it will be denoted as alpha. So find its resistance at boiling point of water. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let's get into the problem. Okay, first, given data, what are the data that is being given here? They have given at 0 degrees Celsius 10 ohms the resistance. So R0, that is resistance at 0 degrees. Resistance at 0 degrees is nothing but 10 ohms. Okay, next one is temperature coefficient of resistance. Temperature coefficient of resistance is nothing but alpha. It is denoted by alpha. Alpha equal to 0.004 per degree Celsius. This is the value of alpha, 0.004 per degree Celsius. Now they are asking you to find the resistance, the value of the resistance at the boiling point of water. Okay, so our boiling point of water will be 100 degrees. So R100, that is resistance at 100 degrees Celsius. Resistance at 100 degrees. Resistance at 0 degrees Celsius is 10 ohms. Resistance at 100 degrees Celsius is what we are supposed to find out. So what is resistance at 100 degree Celsius? We know that RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha into T. This is the formula. Using this formula, we need to derive the solution. So what is RT? RT is nothing but R100. R100 is equal to R0. What is R0? R0 is 10 ohms. That is 10 into 1 plus, what is the value of alpha? The value of alpha is nothing but 0.004, 0.004. 0.004 into, what is the value of the temperature? Temperature is, we are going to find for 100 degrees Celsius. That is the boiling point of water. So that is alpha is 0.004 into 100. Into 100, right? That's all. So RT equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T. R100 is equal to 10 into 1 plus 0.004 into 100. So which will be 10 into 1 plus, what is 0.04? 0.004 into 100. 0.004 into 100. 0.004 into 100 is 0.4. 0.4. Now which is equal to 10 into 1 plus 0.4 will be 1.4. So 1.4 into 10. 1.4 into 10 is nothing but 14, which is equal to 14 ohms. That is R100. The resistance at R100, the resistance at 100 degrees Celsius, the resistance at 100 degrees Celsius is 14 ohms. Okay, so now they are asking, this is find its resistance at boiling point of water. We have found the resistance at boiling point of water. This is the resistance at the boiling point of water, which is 14 ohms. Now they are asking us to find, and now they are asking us to comment on the result. So we have got this result. Based on this result, we need to write our own comments. So how are we going to write the comments? See, in this one, I will rub this portion. See, in the problem they have given R0 equal to 10 ohms. R0 equal to 10 ohms. What does it mean? Resistance, the value of resistance at 0 degrees Celsius is 10 ohms. Now we have obtained the result as R100 is equal to 14 ohms. So what does it mean? The resistance at the boiling point of water, which is 100 degrees Celsius, is 14 ohms. Okay, so the resistance at 0 degrees Celsius is 10 ohms and the resistance at 100 degrees Celsius is 14 ohms. So you can conclude the result as the temperature increases from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, the resistance value of the resistance also increases from 10 ohm to 15 ohm. So we need to write as the resistance, as the resistance, as the resistance, as the temperature increases, as the temperature increases from 0 degrees to 100 degrees Celsius, the value, the resistance value also increases from 10 to 14, 10 ohm to 14 ohms. So as the temperature increases from 0 degrees to 100 degrees, the resistance 0 degree to 100 degree, the value of the resistance also increases from 10 ohm to 14 ohms. 10 ohms to 14 ohms. Okay, that's all. Thank you.